A healthy dump going into Sunday when the markets open up. Not necessarily a bad thing. It's your boy Crypto Millie. This is your daily Hopium update. And of course, family, we're getting a little bit of FUD from this Curve DAO token. Now, this Curve DAO token seemed to have been hacked, something, another scam, another fraud. These DeFi tokens, man, really are hit or miss, right? And I guess $100 million worth of people's liquidity right now is just in limbo. Okay, now I don't know the ins and out of the Curve hack, but I know that it's affecting the entire market. As you can see right here, we're getting a little bit of pullback. Traditionally, it's healthy for a pullback going into Monday because we know Monday is when the market actually opens. So I'm not actually upset or anything about this pullback. I think it's actually healthy for the entire crypto space because at the end of the day, I just gotta go ahead and put it out there. I know a lot of people want a bull run to happen, but at the end of the day, family, you can see here that history says that we're going to trade sideways going into the next halving cycle, and I think right now is the most important time for every crypto investor. Okay, all right, throw all your strategies out the window. If you bought up here, bought off the top going down, if you bought out down here and then you thought that we were going to shoot up, throw all of those strategies out the window right now, family, and just focus on accumulating the top narratives, accumulating the best cryptocurrencies, accumulating your favorite cryptocurrencies, whether they be meme coins, whether it be utility tokens, because we may never see a bull run like this again. And the reason that I'm saying that is because we're seeing major players inside the crypto space, inside the traditional market space, start to become believers in crypto. Larry Fink himself believes that the traditional market will be tokenized. So we're talking about bonds, stock markets. He believes everything, stocks, bonds, commodities, whatever you want to talk about, they will be on the blockchain. All right. Trust, transparency, the blockchain is where it's at. And when you got a guy like Larry Fink, and even Mike Novogratz kind of realized this. He called it orange pill. Okay, and for the people that don't know what orange pill means, orange pill is when you take a non-believer and you make them a believer in Bitcoin, and that's exactly what happened with Larry Fink. He missed out. BlackRock missed out on an insane bull run because they got in front of themselves. Sometimes you can overthink a situation or an opportunity and be your worst enemy. So they missed out, but they are not going to miss out again, right? And me personally, I think there's manipulation, price suppression going on right now as we speak, and the elites are loading up. We are moving to a cashless society. I mean, just look at what's going on with WorldCoin, how they're basically paying you for your biometric data. This is crazy. In fact, data and AI, I personally think, is going to be the two winners in the next bull cycle when talking about narratives. You're already starting to see a lot of cryptocurrencies kind of like spin the block on the data narrative, and we know that AI could potentially go into a super cycle because of the need and want of the technology. It's just a demand right now for artificial intelligence. And Sam himself, Sam Altman, when you think about Chat GPT and how it's making so many people's lives easier, it got to mentally, it got to say, it got to click in your head like, okay, artificial intelligence is here to stay. Artificial intelligence feeds off data. Everything will be controlled around data. Smart cities, smart this, your phone, blockchain data, oracles. It all revolves around data. Nothing in today's time can survive without data. Okay, so I personally think the more crypto grows, the more those projects that work on monetizing and democratizing data will grow as well. And of course, you're going to see a huge run from the artificial intelligence sector. So right now is the most important time to really tap in, family. Lock in into your strategies. Lock in into your DCA goals. really lock into your hustle. Get your bag up, get your liquidity up, because if you do not, you will miss the boat. And I don't think this is a boat anybody wants to miss. Now, we are trading sideways. I mean, we even got Elon Musk doing wonderful things with X and working on integrating and incorporating crypto. This is big, family. Now, a little bit about the macro. We do have a 79% chance of a pause or halt, should I say. A lot of people think that was the last federal rate hike. Me personally, I don't think so. I think that they'll look at the data, right? They'll look at the data and they will, and don't, this is not etched in stone. We could possibly get a pause. But if we get a pause, I think somewhere down the line, or maybe the first of the next year, we get another rate hike, as we continue to trade sideways into this halving cycle. So I wouldn't let what's going on in the macro environment and affect your mentality. Crypto may seem like it's boring right now. I get it. It may seem like it's not the thing. What the killers say, cringe. But I just think that right now we're in an accumulation stage. Bitcoin here on the weekly, stock RSI momentum has halted a little bit, but it hasn't dropped. So technically that's still bullish, and we are above the Gaussian channel here. But what's important, family, is that we're starting to get green candles. Actually, I want to show you guys something here. Let me see if I can reload this site here. My internet moving a little slow, but I actually want to show you guys something here before I actually close out the video. So you can see, look at this. Why did it do that? Alrighty, hold on here. We're going to get back to it. Hold on. That's the DXY. That's irrelevant today because the markets are not open. But this is what I want to show you guys here. We go to the 3 months, because sometimes people got to zoom out, man. You got to zoom out. You got to understand what's going on right now. All right. So you can see here, we just printed 3 green 3-month candles in a row, family. 3 green 3-month candles in a row. We just got 3 soldiers here on the 3-month. And you can also see here, if we even zoom out even more on the 6-month, right? A huge green candle on the 6-month, and now we got another green candle on the 6-month. So Bitcoin, technically, from a zoomed out perspective, is starting to get extremely bullish, and this is what you want to see going into the halving cycle. So the longer the time frames are, the more bullish I'm thinking, because we're starting to really get these green candles in. And I think that when I go over to the weekly chart, I said it in a few videos back that normally when we break the Gaussian channel, we trade sideways for about 70 days. All right. So we won't know until this thing actually flips green. I don't know the time frame when it will flip green, but when it flips green, historically, that's been the meat and the meat of the bull run. But technically, they say when we get above the Gaussian channel, we're already starting the bull run. But the beginning of the bull run is extremely boring, as you can see right here. So we'll continue to monitor that. The tether dominance, again, being stubborn, and the total altcoin market, again, we're below. We just broke the Gaussian channel, but we're nowhere near the top. So a lot to look forward to for altcoins. It could get deadly for altcoins if Bitcoin continues to trade sideways. I expect altcoins to bleed even more, but pay attention to the new cryptocurrencies, the narratives, and try to DCA into those projects that you believe truly have a use case and a strong community. I'm going to see you in the next one. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm out.